Hello and welcome to day one of driving to Alaska. Today marks 3 months on the road and we are currently in Alberta on the, what are we on? The Icefields Parkway near Banff National Park in Jasper. Yeah, Mike's of course in the pooper right now and I'm organizing the van. And then we'll be driving north to Grand Cache. So we are somewhere here. We're driving up to here today. I think that might be our last Walmart before hitting the Alaskan highway. So we're gonna spend the night in our last Walmart, stock up on some food, and maybe catch a shower. I saw that there's a place there that they do $1.25 showers, so that's like, I don't know, 80 cents in American, so no brainer. There he is. But yeah, I'm literally just taking everything out of the van right now and reorganizing. It's 35 degrees out. Karma found the sun. This is our last campground, I think.
So what?
Last campground.
Is it?
I think so. We're forced to stay in campgrounds because you get a $25,000 fine if you get caught boondocking or like overlanding in national parks in Canada. So that's more money than what we have. So we've been paying like between $16 and $20 Canadian to camp at some campgrounds, which isn't that bad because my credit card gets reimbursed. So technically we're still not paying for any camping. Alright, I just got dressed outside in the public. But now I'm trying to shove all of my clothes, that's how you stay organized, into this. Let's see.
I'm just trying to find the hairbrush.
It's probably up here. Ah! It fits.
Mattea is combing my hair because it's a knotted mess right now.
But then we're gonna load up the van.
Ow!
Mike, you feel pretty?
I feel pretty. Do I look pretty?
You look gorgeous.
Thanks.
So handsome.
Hey, only my grandmother's allowed to call me handsome. And your grandmother.
You need a haircut.
If only my barber knew how to cut hair.
Me? Alright, now we're gonna put all the stuff back in the van and then hit the road. So these are our camp chairs. Everything has to be kind of compact for us.
Kind of?
Very compact.
A fan. And we got clothesbins.
There. It's our food bin. Oh, it moved. Whoops. Our food bin.
Our cooking stuff.
And PB&J.
The levelers.
No.
No. Beep, 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 beep.
Ugh.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yep. It's our CO2 monitor. Sometimes I hit it with the box.
We're just testing it out.
Just making sure we're not gonna die. You want this up?
Yeah, sure. I mean, it doesn't need to be if Karma wants to look out the window.
Yeah, maybe Karma wants to see. Our window covering. Everything's organized. We just brushed our teeth.
Picked out a fish tape for the width.
And this is what it looks like. These are groceries, dirty laundry, Karma's food, levelers, clothes, toiletries, everything's under there that we need. That's my paddleboard. Yeah, pillows, everything. Our water's over there. Electric cooler. We haven't bought ice in 3 months. We're gonna stop at the bin and throw that away. But yeah. Gonna brush my hair. put some sunscreen on, and then we're actually leaving now. Check the Columbia Icefield out. It's huge. And it continues on the back side of the mountain. We're gonna go drive this road and see if we can walk on it. So I know that we said that we were just gonna drive straight through, but we stopped.
We
saw the, what is it called? Something, glacier.
So we got it. It's Athabasca Glacier. Yeah.
And it's been receding since the late 1800s. We had to come see it. You can see the little buses up there. You can pay like $200 a person to go ride a bus up. Or you can do a walking tour for also like $200.
Yeah.
Or you can walk to this fence for free.
Yeah. Figured, cheapest option would be the best. But
yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. It's one of like the bigger glaciers in North America. So.
And Karma came.
Yeah.
Yay!
Probably you guys see it.
Yeah, we just met a father and daughter who's also heading to Alaska to Fairbanks.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna play like, leapfrog on the Alcan, because they're also taking that. And they'll be in Dawson Creek probably tomorrow, like we are.
Yep.
So that's funny. But all right, now we're actually leaving. This is where this glacier was in 2006, so it's melting pretty quickly. We are in Jasper, Alberta. I think we're in Alberta still. Look at the mountains here, though. Can you imagine living here? It's so pretty, and there's so many of these rental RVs. But they have a huge rail system here, and of course everyone's trying to go this way.
Now we gotta wait.
For like a long time, but that's fine because their rail system here is super cool. Instead of a ton of tractor trailers on the road like at home, they're all just by rail. So their roads are better. We stopped and got some Powerades.
The roads are way better here.
Yeah, they are.
Granted, they only have like 4, but it's still.
But yeah, now we're gonna head towards Dawson Creek, which is the start of the Alaska Highway. It says that we're 6 hours away, and it's currently 2 o'clock, so we won't be there until like 8. So if we're getting there that late, we'll probably just stay the night at a Walmart.
Yeah.
And then just, oh, here we go.
End of the train?
The end of the train. We just got gas. It was the cheapest in the area. We had to make like 3 U-turns to get there. But it was, I don't even know how much was it? It's confusing. You have to pre-approve what you want, like at the pump, so you can do up to like $350. So we did up to $150, but I think it was like, it's listed at the pump as like 158.04 cents, but you actually read it like $1.58, and then like 4/10 a liter. So it's, I don't know, it's confusing. So we just keep filling up when we can. We're going.
We're going.
Oh wait, can you see this? Oh, it's up there. But their police here are called peace police on the vehicles. This is hilarious. I think we should have more peace police. Just keeps getting better.
Better and better.
You like the view? You're officially
On the route. Well, kind of.
kind of. We're on the Bighorn Route. Ooh, look at this. This is pretty. We're on this road for the next like 3.5 hours.
Heck yeah, we are.
And we can finally start using this book that we bought to drive to Alaska with. So this is where we are, and it shows like each mile you're at. Like this one says next gas northbound is 88 miles from us.
So the Primo door in the van with the duct tape and stuff, at some point got disassembled, I assume to mess with the window. But this piece down here has not been attached. And there was a trusty zip tie holding it together, and it came apart, so I had to use another trusty zip tie and bore my way a hole in here, because the original one got all worn out and broke. So with a little bit of knifing and zip tying, we're back in action.
All in an A&W parking lot.
Hell yeah, baby.
We're currently in Grande Cache, Alberta. Gas was $1.49 a liter here. It's windy, mostly cloudy, and I think it's 80 degrees out, but it doesn't feel like it. We're heading to Grand Prairie right now, which is 113 miles away. So that's the next gas station, and we'll probably stop at either the Walmart there or Walmart tomorrow in Dawson Creek, right? Dawson Creek?
Dawson Creek. Mile 0 of the Alaska Highway.
Yep. But yeah, someone's looking at me as I record, and Karma's fed and happy. Are you happy? And now we're gonna go for a ride. Onward. We're just following this. Alright, we are in Grand Prairie. We are at the Walmart. It's a little scary here.
I will say, Grand Prairie is a little scary.
It's really scary.
Yeah.
We just went grocery shopping. Everything is so damn expensive. But it was less than I thought. We didn't get any meat because it's very expensive. Yeah, we're just gonna set up shop here. To put this in some context, there's a truck insert camper over there on that side of the parking lot that's on cinder blocks.
Yeah, it's just the fifth wheel.
Oh yeah, it's a small fifth wheel. All right, so there's a fifth wheel on that side of the parking lot with no vehicle. It's literally like on the ground, not attached to anything. So it's
attached to a shopping cart.
This, and they attach a shopping cart around like the fifth wheel thing so no one can drag it off. And yeah, there's people living in it. So we're gonna get the heck out of here in the morning. So we start with putting the paddleboard up front.
My favorite part.
Yeah, this is our favorite part of the van. Kidding. We're gonna put Mike's guitar in the front.
At least it's the lightest of these.
And we have to put our collapsible table in the front. Because they all sit right here and the bed slides out on this. This is our sheet that we kind of store if we need it.
Get your booty out.
All right, fine. Here we go. Oops. There it is over there. You probably can't see it, but yeah. This is the Canadian Walmart. We're in like a strip mall place. It says no overnight parking, but they said it was fine. There's another camper right there. And then there's little Karma. We have the bed set up. Just gave Karma lots of TREATS's. It's so hot here. It's like 80 degrees and it's almost 10 o'clock.
This place sucks.
This place does suck. I'm brushing my teeth into a bag.
Tomorrow we're leaving Alberta.
Mm-hmm.
Going to British Columbia. Dawson Creek, British Columbia. Which actually isn't that far from here.
60 miles.
6.5 hours. 60 miles. I could be your interpreter. What if you ever got in a horrific accident? I had to talk for you.
Yep, we're dirt bagging.
Spit bagging, actually. I need to brush my teeth. Now it's my time for you to be my interpreter.
Okay, here we go. I think they're in the camera. Oh, they're totally in the camera. There you go. Okay. Good night. We will see you in the morning. Yeah, look at the shirt he's wearing in Canada. But okay, good night. We will see you in the morning on day number 1 of driving to Alaska. Boop, boop. Hit subscribe and like for videos and whatnot, whatever people say. So here he goes.
Spitting in a bag. Like, follow, and comment for more spitting in bags.